2, 1.
My people, my name is called Sam Ouma. I am a mediation trainer. I'm a certified professional mediator, practicing with the judiciary currently. I want to sincerely talk to you about mediation. Mediation is a way on how we can solve our dispute amicably, faster, and Hello, my name is Sam Ouma. I am a certified professional mediator. I am also a mediator trainer. I want to speak to us about mediation. Mediation is the way of solving disputes amicably, faster, cheaply, let me say affordably. Mediation, I believe, works. For those who are facing challenges of disputes, be it with your employer, be it with within the family, be it with the neighbors, mediation is the way. We know many alternative dispute resolution exist, but mediation comes handy because it is a solution by you and for you. So we want to encourage you, whether you're in court or planning to begin court to battle through litigation, please take a step back and try mediation, which has been internationally proved to be working. I beseech you to try this before going to court. We are available as mediators. We do virtually and we do physical mediation, both to do with the parties or to train you to become a mediator. And I thank you for.
For more of this, keep on watching Tunyo Nagi TV at Dundo Jelly.
Okay.
Let's like and subscribe.